As you can see, your girl is packed up and ready to move. So welcome to today's moving vlog. It is quiet. The storm is just about to begin. The homies are coming through. Got my Chick-fil-A. Still a little swollen from my wisdom tooth surgery, and I can't eat solid foods yet. So we got a yogurt parfait, and I'm out of breath from running up the stairs. Man, I need to freaking get my fitness together this year. But either way, gonna eat my yogurt and let's get moving. We're so tired. We got the squad going. This is the U-Haul. This is our current situation. A few more items over there. We got the truck going. OMG, y'all, never thought we would get here, but it is basically empty. We got some squad here, the rest downstairs. Look at it. Look at it, it's empty. Okay, it is empty but a little dirty. So I'm actually gonna leave all the cardboard boxes and a little bit of stuff here. And we're gonna go head over to the new place, unpack, then come back tomorrow morning and finish cleaning all of this stuff. Holy cow, like I don't know why I thought it would take like an hour or two just to put it all together, but it actually took about 3 hours to bring everything down. But thankfully we got this. No more freaking stairs. We're just gonna go straight to the apartment, and there's like a big back door elevator, and we can all just hopefully do it in 1 or 2 go. And yeah, I'm freaking exhausted. Man, shout out to my homies for helping. Food, lunch on me. Let's go. Austin, the U-Haul driver.
The U-Haul driver.
Casual. Y'all, we are officially done. We got, wait, where is she? Where's Julia? We got Julia and Jason and the last survivors, but shout out to everyone who came through. It's a whole mess. All the homies are gone. I am by myself for the first time in my new apartment. I don't know, I feel like I'm still dreaming. Never would I thought I'd be living in a place like this at this age. And I don't know, I have so many thoughts, but I'm just super, super grateful and thankful right now. Man, life is so crazy. Who would have fucking thought? Who would have thought? I don't know. This is just crazy, bro. I don't even have a sofa. I'm sitting in, I have this one freaking chair. We got a lot of mess still, and it is the beginning of an era of friends. I don't know if y'all remember, but it was like a mess earlier, but it's all clean. So basically, I took all the boxes from there, put most of my PR stuff there, and it's all clean. So it is currently 2 a.m. and I'm an insomniac. We all knew this, but currently I'm trying to see if I can get internet. I got the Xfinity thing from my old apartment, and this one also has Xfinity. I don't know. Growing up, like every time our Wi-Fi would go out, like my parents would yell at me like it was my fault, and then I would have to fix it. And then my sister grew up a little, she's younger than me. Then we all three just started blaming her. All right, y'all. I'm freaking exhausted. I'm trying to go to sleep. That's my headboard, my bed. I'm gonna try to do tomorrow, but let's open up this mattress. I literally know nothing about mattresses, but I just hope it's a good one. Oh no! Oh my god, it's a pretty big bed. My bed frame. Oh my god. Let's just temporarily make our bed. I'm I'm literally just about to do this and call it a day. Just like that. Woo-wee. Go. Woo. Honestly, I think this is a pretty good mattress. Okay, I honestly didn't even look at any reviews. I just bought a random one, hoping it was good. But glad it worked out. I'm gonna go take off my makeup and go to sleep now, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Bye. Good morning, y'all. I actually woke up really early today, but let me show y'all how the closet's looking. Y'all should have seen the other closet. It was a whole mess, and everything was stacked and packed, and at least now it looks like my clothes can breathe. And also I moved all my Indian clothes over here. We are also building my bed. It looks like that at the moment. We got some friends over there, but they're camera shy, so we won't show them. This green color, and it's showing a little bit lighter on camera. It's actually a little darker, but it is so big and I'm obsessed. It's like a velvet bed. It looks super cool. It's actually not too hard to put together, but every day, blessing you with my love. It works. It's a pretty cloudy day today. Oh, okay, we got the vanity together. Let me show y'all the bed. Oh my god, it is a mess. Okay, let's ignore the mess. I don't like that orange. I thought it was gonna be like a rustic vibe with the brown, but no, we are returning those and getting some white ones. But this is the bed. It looks cool, huh? Now I need some nightstands. And I don't know, I'm thinking about putting I have this naked lady neon sign, and I think I'm gonna do that one there, and maybe just leave this empty. Yeah. Hey y'all, so we just picked up my nightstand, and we being homegirl, Priscilla came through. But let me show y'all the situation right now. So this is my mom's van, and it is literally, let me show y'all. It is in the whole van, and there's no room for Prissy. You know it's my mom's car because of this sticker.
Jesus, we trust.
And so
Amen.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm gonna be holding
She's gonna have to sit over there. All right, you're
Just
good.
drive safely, please.
All right, she's good. Okay, now we gotta go back to the apartment.
Hey.
Whenever I was trying to buy a TV stand, I actually saw this one on Amazon, and I think Wayfair too, but all the freaking reviews said it took at least 3 hours to put it together, and I hate anything that makes my life harder, so I was not about to build it. So I was looking for simple ones, and I actually found this same one on Facebook Marketplace for cheaper. They only used it for less than a year, and they put it together, so you know it was a sign from God. So this is what the TV stand looks like. I'm pretty happy with it. So we got glass pieces over here, and we got the TV over there that we gotta put over here. I don't know, do I mount it? I definitely can't do it myself, so I probably need to hire somebody to do it. But yeah. So I'm a whole brunette now. It's been a while since that last clip. I forgot to film my outro, but either way, sneak peek, the apartment is pretty much done being furnished, so let me know if you want a full apartment tour. I got you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Darling, 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 there's no need to worry. It's just a couple things.